Hi friends, as you know, I am sharing Indian plant-based meals with you, things that I eat at home for good health and of course building immunity. So the recipe that I've got is one of my staple lunches at least once a week. और उसका नाम है cauliflower rice and sauté spinach. तो चलिए, without much ado, let's get started. 2 छोटे चम्मच घी, a spoonful of cumin seeds. I'll saute it till it splutters. गोभी बारीक कटी हुई और साथ ही में मैं ये गोभी डालूंगी, which is a mix of onion, ginger, coriander, green chilies. मुझे ये फ्लेवर बहुत पसंद है. Little bit of salt. So we let it cook. जब तक ये पक रहा है, हम अपने spinach की तैयारी करते हैं. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of mustard oil. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cumin seeds and garlic. Freshly chopped turmeric. A little bit of salt, coriander powder, and a little bit of garam masala. A quick mix. I'm going to add the sautéed spinach. So chaliye, now it's time to serve. It's a perfectly healthy lunch meal for those of you who want to consume less calories and have a complete meal. And this is one of my favorites for a healthy plant-based lunch meal. So do try it at home.